We're here, Ventura, California, down at the beach. Gonna be trying to get some jewelry or coinage. Any coins, pennies, dimes, nickels, I'm down for it. We're gonna keep all of them to see how long it takes to pay this $256 bad boy off. Let's get down to the beach, see what we can find. All right, got another weed here. It says it's something iron. That's insane. It's about 6 inches deep.
That's it.
There it is right there. How about that, ladies and gents?
It's a
Nice little butterfly necklace bracelet
not a necklace.
thing. What is this?
Anklet.
Look at that. Nice.
Master of jewelry.
First
right
treasure
here.
found. Look at that. Beautiful, mate. Obviously no diamonds or anything crazy, but hey, that's a solid first find. I don't know. I'm going to pinpoint it. Right here. Someone hold this bad boy. So we've been digging at this. I have been digging at this for like 10 minutes straight now. It is taking for false alarm. The sensitivity on this bad boy is skyrocketed to 100. Turn it down just a little bit, put it back in the hole. Nada. We're gonna keep searching.
What does it say it is?
Bottle cap, baby.
Oh. I've been recording, so.
Second find, piece of junk, but luckily, convenience strikes again. Trash can right there. Trash.
Probably a piece of poo that you're touching. Not Lisa. Probably a nail or like a bowl.
Oh, it is. Going over here, it's going off, going crazy. Well, it's just a giant piece of freaking wood. Wouldn't that suck? Check that out, dude. That's a bad day. That, we're gonna have to throw that in the trash or something. So, moving on. Alright guys, so this is the roundup for the day. This is one of my favorites. A giant hunk of wood. You guys saw it, nail sticking right up. That's a bad day. I actually walked past a guy out there. He's like, what's your best find? I told him, you know, today's my first day, but I got this. He's like, wow, good thing you did, because I actually stepped on one, but it was 6 inches. That's a bad day. Anyway, got this huge old washer. Kind of cool. I don't have any clue what that would be from. Nut and bolt combo. Got a rusted washer on there. Pretty cool. Old bottle cap. Found a few of these actually. And lastly, my second favorite is this cool little girl's butterfly necklace. For a first day, that's pretty cool. Kept someone from having a terrible day on the beach. I got a nice cute little necklace bracelet deal. I don't know what it is, but pretty cool. If you guys like today's video and you like the metal detecting, smash that thumbs up button for me. Comment down below if you want to see more, and join the family and subscribe. Until then, catch you on the fish side.